Hello, welcome back to another episode of Heat Hacks. Our question today is, can you have underfloor heating and radiators together in the same system? The answer is yes, you can. You wouldn't have radiators and underfloor heating in the same room, but they would be on maybe your ground floor and then your radiators upstairs. You would then wire a different thermostat for the radiators down into zone 10 on the wiring center and switch the radiator switch to rad, and then your other 9 zones can be for your underfloor heating. You then would have a separate valve for the radiators wired into the actuator 10 on the wiring center. That means that the pump and the boiler is not going to come on when your radiators are cooling for heat and you don't want your underfloor heating on. So yeah, thanks for watching. Check out our support details and our socials.